Are you planning to buy a car soon and looking for the best tips and tricks? In the ever-evolving world of car buying, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. So here's what you need to know. Car buying can be a challenging endeavor, especially in light of high interest rates, uncertain inventory, and economic concerns. To make the right choice and secure the best deal, it's important to ask the right questions, be aware of current prices and inventory, and keep an eye on supply chain issues and incentives. When it comes to financing, researching options is key. Other lending institutions may offer better rates than in-house financing, so it's worth exploring your options. While the market is normalizing, supply chain constraints and pent-up demand may still affect inventory and incentives. And here's a vital nugget. The average new car price in February was a staggering $48,763. Experts suggest that if you can, it might be worth waiting. But what about the coming year? Well, there's some good news. As supply chain crises ease and demand stabilizes, you might see a drop in car prices. In fact, JP Morgan predicts that used car prices could drop by 20% and new car prices by 5% in 2024. When hunting for the best deals, consider brands like General Motors, Hyundai, Mazda, and Buick, which have seen slight price increases compared to competitors. Domestic brands may also have more inventory available than import brands. And remember, the laws of supply and demand still apply. Look for vehicles that are not in high demand, as these could offer better value. So, there you have it. Buying a car in the current market requires a strategic approach, a keen eye for detail, and a dash of patience. But with the right information and a clear plan, you can navigate the process with confidence and secure the best deal for your needs. In summary, when buying a car, don't rush. Take your time to research options, consider current market conditions, and be patient. It's a challenging market, but with the right approach and information, you can find the best deal for your needs.